Hello, my name is Đức Vinh, and today I'm going to show you how to solve a mirror cube. So you see a mirror cube, it doesn't have colors, but now you look at this, it just moves out of shape. So if you say scramble it, you mean it turns into another shape, and the solved state is like it's a cube, it's a square cube, and in the unsolved case it's like this, it's not a square cube. So now I'm going to show you how to solve it. So instead of colors, you have size of pieces, like this is the biggest piece and this is the smallest. So now I will scramble this. It's a little bit hard to turn because you have this, like, it's a misaligned a little bit. You can turn. And now you hold it like this, but now you have all kind of shapes. So it's quite hard to do the finger tricks. So I will use the beginner method. So now you're just finding, look at the centers, find the lowest center, shortest center. Let's see, like this is the tallest, so this will be the shortest. So tallest will be here to shortest. So here's the shortest. Now we're going to make a cross. So you remember when we make the white cross, this is the white side. We just imagine it's at the white side. So now I have one piece already solved. Now look for the thinnest edge piece, like this one. So move it to the top, spin it around until it matches the center. Normally we have colors for that, but now we don't have colors, so we have to see it's flat, so we turn it down. Now this is also a flat piece. Now it's already flat here, so now we can put it down like here. Let's see, where's the last piece? Here. So this piece has to flip like here. Yeah. So now when you finish the cross, now it's time for the corners. Let's see, some thin corners. We have to find some thin corners, like this one. Yeah, put in the smallest, it's right here. So you know how to insert it, right? Because when if you want to know how to solve a mirror cube, you must know how to solve a three-way teaser. So you must be able to know how to insert this in here, like this. Now, let's start with this. So pull this up. You should be able to. It's all like 3x3s. Let's see. Now you can eyeball it. Let's see this one. Look up here, Sam. Yeah. I think that's the place. Or if you're slightly advanced, you can use F12. So I'm not super familiar with F12 on the mirror cube, so I will just do the beginner, just inserting each corner. Let's see. This one was here. you can avoid cube rotation. But you can insert this in a normal way, but you can also do this. No, it's the space right here. Now we have to find the edge piece that is not flat as this, like this one. It's lower than this. So right here we spin it around until we have a line with a center that is flat with it. Now move it like this. Move it like this. It's not the same, so this is flat, so is this edge will go here. So I will do this. It's kind of, I guess, just move it away. Then normally you will just do that method. I don't remember so much, so I will do my own method. It's like this. Here, you have to go here, move it away. Just do this. So it's clear, and now you can just insert it like F12, like that. Let's see. This one's not as flat at the center, but if you imagine it's as straight, it's up. So the edge we need is not here. So it's the three main edge right here. So pull it out. Here. Now this one is not as tall as the tower center, but it's flat here. Okay. Now move it on this guy. See if it's flat. Yes. So this will go here. I will do this. To insert it. So hard to turn. The mirror cube is so hard to turn because it's some square corners here. Let's see, we'll take this one out. Let's see, I'll try to do F12, but so take it out. Let's see, where is it flat? Oh, here. So it's flat. So this space also is taken, so it must be on this way. So move it away. Do this. It's 3x3 stuff. So I just get that one and this two. So now is the top side. So we have solved the first two layers. Just so satisfying. Now we're going to do the beginner method for the top layer. So there's 3 places. You must already know them. So this is the line case. Do you remember this? Here. Now normally you will have this in yellow, but we don't have color. It's just gray. So we must recognize it as a line, and you will remember that. It will go F or F prime actually. Or you applying U prime, and you will get a cross. Now, I have a soon here. Do you know this case is for like to look OOL. OOL is like orientation last layer. OLL. So this is a soon case. It's one of the easiest case. Look at a fish tail. So we just put the here, the head here, and the soon algorithm. Do you remember that? It's just putting this pair up, go here, back, go up here, now go all the way back like this. Like that. And if it doesn't work, just do it again. So in this case, I'll move to the next. So now, so these are flat. Put it on the back and right. Do the swing again. So now all of these are flat, off the edge are flat. Now, just the corners. Now this is the hard part. Now, you have to orient them. First, put them in the right spot. So, you must see. This big one should go here. This one should go here, and this should go here. So this will be soft. Put it under here. So now put the correct corner. When you do the spoon, you should have one correct corner. It can be soft or can't. You don't know, but I have this in the right place. I will put it in the left. So you will do this algorithm. So now if you haven't got all of them in the correct order, you should do it again. Then it should be in the correct order. So now you turn here. Now you should know this from 3 by 3. Just do all U up and U prime, all U up and all U up and U prime, all U up and U prime. Just until I just do it the wrong way. Now, when it's flat, you just turn it. So this isn't all soft. Just do it again. Now just turn here, and you've solved the mirror cube. You're so satisfying, like you rub it when it's scrambled. It's like spines, but when it's solved, it's like cube. And in the next video, I will teach you how to solve the mega mix. It's a pentagon, and it had 12 sides, so it will be a little bit hard. And this is the end of my video. Bye bye.